Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and inside of this video we are going to talk about Semrush. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Semrush and also how much does it cost to own a license. So, with Semrush you get to understand your competitive strategies with various insight details related to the rankings. It conducts organic and advertising research with the use of its advanced tools and features. Get to know your competitors' best used keywords, their ad strategies, budget, and a lot more. With its backlinks feature, you can now conduct a deep link analysis, understand referring domains, authority, and spot your link's geolocation. Its advanced keyword research tools help you to find the right keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns, and also to get related keywords and long-tail keywords. It's made for all type of businesses. If it's small, medium, or you own a large enterprise, or if you're a freelancer even, you can get advantage of Semrush. They are based in Boston, Massachusetts, so it's a US-based company. As you can see, if you want to write down the domain, obviously you have to pick from where it is. But United States, UK, Germany, and France are like the top notch that you can check out. You can run it in your web browser and also install it in your mobile phone. If it's Android or if it's iOS, it doesn't actually matter. So let's check the pricing. They have obviously two programs. First one is monthly, the second one is annual one. If you decide to commit and go with if you decide to go with a yearly plan, we are looking at $99 per month. Then Guru is $191, and business for the enterprise level companies is $374 monthly. 40 projects, 5,000 keywords to track, 50,000 results per report. This is the best package they can offer you. Obviously, if you scroll down, that's what I strongly recommend you doing. Everything is written underneath more specifically. Although, if you plan to integrate Semrush with, for example, your CRMs, and you need APIs, they are only provided in business option. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.